There really was something in the air this week because I was invited to go to an Apple experience in New York City to check out all the new Apple announcements this week, like the new M3 iPad Air, the M4 MacBook Air, the Mac Studios, and all the good stuff. So I wanted to share my experience, my thoughts, and just in general things about everything that was announced this week. So let's start off with a little montage about the actual experience itself, and then we'll chat more about the updates and things you need to know. Today we are going to an Apple session to learn more about the new M4 MacBook Airs, and really they just released a lot of things, so we're kind of just seeing everything. There's new iPads, there's new Mac Studios, lots of things. So we are in New York, and I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along what it's like to go to one of these events and tell you all a little bit more about everything that Apple released this week. So buckle up and let's go.
I would be 7. I would do it. Okay, we finished the demonstrations and now we are in the content capture time block, and it's just so fun. They're all so satisfying to look at laid out like this. Okay guys, we learned a little Easter egg with this background. If you look, it says Air, so A-I-R for the Air. And apparently they're like that on all the other devices too. I've just never realized. It's so fun. So exciting, right? It's always an amazing time every time I go to anything Apple related. I'm obsessed. The staging, the product, all the details are always just so fun, so enjoyable. So that was a great time. And then I also just got to go and explore New York with my friend Haley. So I have a whole vlog coming about that, I think tomorrow. So if you're interested in more of like the lifestyle vlog style of things, I will have my New York City vlog going live tomorrow. Anyways, let's first talk about the new iPad. So they announced the M3 iPad Air. So a few of the main big points about this. Start off with it comes in 2 different sizes and 4 colors. There's blue, purple, starlight, and space gray. So no new colors here, unfortunately. And the 11-inch iPad Air starts at $599 and the 13-inch iPad Air starts at $799. But if you're a student, really make sure to check out the education discounts. They can really help you out a lot there. The iPad Air has the M3 chip in it now. So basically, if you don't know what any of this whole M chip thing, any of it means, which I still not sure if I quite understand everything that there's to know, but I know the basics, which is what hopefully you guys are here for. If you're here for like the crazy specs of everything, you might be in the wrong place. I know a little, but not a lot. So I'm gonna give it in kind of terms for the normal average person. So basically it just means it's faster, has better performance than the previous versions. So as a normal person, you don't need to upgrade for each new chip that comes out. The only reason that I do is because I'm a tech creator and I compare them all to each other. So that's the only reason why. But let's say you had the M1 iPad Air and you did want to upgrade just for a little bit more faster performance. This one is 2 times faster than the previous M1 model, so there's that. It also has some improved graphics because of this new chip. So what I mean when I say that is has more accurate lighting, reflections, shadows, and like really realistic things in gaming experiences, I guess. So it'll just look nicer as you're gaming if you're into that on iPads. And of course, it has Apple Intelligence, so you have access to the Genmoji, writing tools, the ChatGPT Siri integration, Image Wand, Image Playground, all of those amazing new features that we know and love. You can have them too. And we've always had the Magic Keyboard, which I love the Magic Keyboard, but it actually got a little bit of an upgrade now. The Magic Keyboard is this like keyboard that kind of like floats in the air. It looks really nice, moves, works super fluid and smoothly. I love it. But the new one has a larger trackpad, and it also has a new function row at the top of it, which is nice. I have a lot of new buttons and just improved design. So this is priced at $269 for the 11-inch model, and then $319 for the 13-inch model. So that's kind of fun. Apple also snuck in a new base model iPad. So just the plain iPad, plain Jane. Oh wait, mine's not in here right now. They updated it with double the storage and then a new chip, not the M series. This one is the A16. So I think it's faster, obviously not as fast and everything as the M series ones. Claims to be nearly 30% faster, which is nice, always a win, while still providing all-day battery life. So for students, it could be a nice alternative if you're looking for a more affordable option, because this one starts at $349, which is crazy for an iPad, which I don't know, kind of nice. If you're interested in any of it, pre-orders begin today, right now. They've been going for a while, and then they can be available on March 12th. All right, now on to MacBook Airs, which is another kind of bigger announcement. Everyone's buzzing about the new sky blue color, which I'll talk about in a second. MacBook Air's got an upgrade with the M4 chip, which is great. Now it's kind of matching the Pros, because I have the M4 MacBook Pro and I love it. But now the Air is getting the M4 treatment, so that's pretty cool. It comes in 4 colors. We have Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and then this Sky Blue. The Sky Blue is so pretty. I got to see it in person. I love it, but I can't help but just wish that they would do this exact same thing, but pink. I know I say that for every product just because I love pink, but I'm sure so many college students are going to love the sky blue color, but could you imagine with it, but pink? Like, come on. Because I know it's like the ideal college laptop, and I just know every single college girl would put this on their wish list for college, because the pink, it would just imagine, it could be perfect. Maybe someday, not today though. We did get a really pretty sky blue though. Obsessed with the whole like sky blue theme. They had a little setup in a sky where we sat and posed with the new Mac, and it was really cute. So love that. Always love a good new color. Super cute and pretty. And then as for sizes, it comes in a 13-inch model and a 15-inch model. The 13-inch M4 starts at $999, and then the 15-inch starts at $1,199. But seriously, look into the student discount if you're a student, because the 13-inch would start at $899 instead of $999 for students, which is incredible. I'm not saying this is like cheap by any means at all. Like, I know these are a huge investment, but it is definitely a more affordable option, and the prices actually went down because they used to be higher than this. So they brought the prices back down, which is kind of cool. As for features and all that good stuff, the MacBook Air with the M4 chip has up to 18 hours of battery life now, and it can support up to 2 external monitors or external displays if you need to have more space for multitasking, which is something I've been really dabbling into and I love. I'm looking into the Mac Studio displays to kind of upgrade my setup, maybe. I'm not sure. I've been looking into it though, so I could plug that into that and have more screens and still use that one too, which is really cool. It has the 12 megapixel center stage camera, so it's new and improved if you're doing video calls and just other things with the camera. Very nice. I know a lot of us do little video booth diaries, so helpful for that. And again, kind of like the iPads, this obviously will be able to have Apple Intelligence too. So Genmoji, Image Playground, Image Wand, writing tools, ChatGPT, all those good things all can happen on the M4 MacBook Air as well. They also had some upgrades and updates to the Mac Studios themselves, but honestly, I think those things are just a little bit beyond my pay grade. I'm not super interested in them. They're more for like serious, heavy, like video production or designing, and personally, I could do everything I need to on the MacBook Pro and even the MacBook Air, so I'm not gonna speak on those because I feel like I would butcher it. I know I would. Now, for the M4 MacBook Air, the pre-orders also have been open. You can pre-order now if you'd like, and they will become available on March 12th as well. So, very exciting, a fun week in Apple. Are you guys upgrading this time around, or what are you thinking? What's our thoughts? What do we think about the new color? Do you want to see me unbox anything? Let me know down in the comments. Let's have a little discussion because this is always just fun. Again, thank you all for these experiences in general. Thank you for caring for what I have to say. Hopefully this helped you out and wasn't just a waste of your time, but we'll see. If you made it all the way to the end of this video though, you should comment the cloud emoji because of the new sky blue sky clouds. Very fun. Just so I know who all made it to the end. And I have tons and tons of more Apple content coming up this next few weeks. So definitely subscribe and stick around to see more of my videos and thoughts on things and my New York vlog. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.